Welcome to our company. This is our handbook, and this is our training. We will use for our training. Okay, Annie. Here's the project. You want to start? So, what are ideas for this?
I have some ideas here, but I want to get your feedback first.
It's important that we treat customer well, follow the rules, and use this script.
Absolutely. I think I understand the importance of an excellent services.
Detail the first area. How can I help you?
Individual, but we could emphasize that resetting the router usually resolves connection issues quickly and effectively.
Our new product has unique features. Make sure you explain them well to customers. I understand, ma'am.
Good day, Miss Jenny. What can you say about our new product? Your presentation is good, but you could emphasize advanced battery life.
This platform is great for reaching target customers. We need to post engaging content. What are examples of engaging content? Engaging content can include several types of content. Here are some examples. It's user-generated content like reviews or photos from customers. It builds community and trust. We have seen that social media advertising is more effective than email marketing. How can we improve media advertising to better reach customers? One way is to leverage targeted advertising. We can use data analytics to identify our audience demographics, interest, and online relationships. For our next lesson, you need to read chapter 5 from your textbook. Make sure to detail notes in your notebook.
Yes, teacher. Should we also highlight any key points in the chapter?
That's a great idea.
How can we implement this project?
We can use the Agile methodology we learned in class.